Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this yummiest fish fingers. It turned out so good, exactly like restaurant style. Now let's look into all the ingredients and get started. Here I'll be using Basa fish, which is cleaned thoroughly and reserved. I purchased these pre-cut fish fingers from Fresh to Home. Now for the marination, I'll be using chicken masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida, white pepper powder, and black pepper powder, some lemon juice, an egg, and ginger and garlic paste. I'll add all the ingredients to the fish, and we need to mix all this, massage this well in the fish, and allow it to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes refrigerated. If you leave it overnight in the fridge, allow this to marinate overnight, the taste is excellent the next day when you prepare it. Now here you can see I've added all the ingredients. I'll mix it well, just cover it and place it in the fridge. The same recipe video is also posted in YouTube Tamil friends. YouTube Tamil link will be in the description box below this video along with my detailed blog post link. All the links to my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter will be in the description box below this video. I've also posted the blog post link in the iCard above this video. If you click my iCard above this video, it will direct you to the blog. Once I've mixed all the ingredients in the fish, I've placed a cover and allowed this to marinate for 30 minutes in the fridge. After 30 minutes, I'll add one more egg. I've just checked for salt and I'm going to add some extra salt. Kashmiri chili powder, that's for color. Some corn flour and all-purpose flour. We'll mix all of this in the fish again. Now this is going to be the batter. So if you dip the fish in some breadcrumbs, it will evenly coat at this point. Now I'll be using some Panko breadcrumbs. I normally purchase Panko breadcrumbs from Amazon. So that's the best place to purchase all these Japanese ingredients and many other gourmet ingredients. So I'll post the link for this product and it's very economical if you purchase it in Amazon. Now here you can see I've taken the fish fingers and I'm gently rolling it in this breadcrumbs. It is not like the other breadcrumbs that we normally use. The taste is completely different. That crunch level is completely different when you use panko breadcrumbs, and it's very nice and tasty. It's exactly like the store-bought ones, or you can see it's like a restaurant product. So do try this with the panko breadcrumbs. That changes the entire taste. Now here you can see on low to medium flame I've heated up some oil. That day I was making some 4 to 5 recipes, so that's why the oil color is like that. But my oil is nice and hot on low to medium flame. Once I've rolled the fish fingers in some panko, I'm gently dropping it in the hot oil. On low to medium flame, I'm going to keep switching it and I'm going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's golden brown in color. Now here you can see my fish fingers are ready in no time. Once it is turned light golden brown in color, I'm just going to drain it from the excess oil and place it on a tissue paper or on a kitchen towel to allow the excess oil to drain, and I'm going to serve this as hot as possible. It was very nice and crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle, and the basa fish quality also is very good. Since this does not have any skin and bones in it, the taste is excellent. You can eat it without any worries and the kids will really enjoy it. So this is an excellent snack, or you can say it's a starter. So do try this recipe friends. I hope you all enjoyed this video recipe, and do post your comments, share this video with your friends and family, and let me know how this recipe has turned out for you. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. Until next time friends, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.